Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video I'm going to show you how can you fix Wi-Fi denied access. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting our time. So guys, the first solution is to fix this problem is that you will have to just forget that network on which you are having this trouble, and then you will have to reconnect that network to fix this problem. So guys, for that, open setting on your device, and from here tap on Wi-Fi, and from here tap on the warning button on that network which you are having this trouble. So guys, tap here on the warning button, and from here just tap on forget this network and then reconnect this network and check if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, the other solution is that your device is not blocked for the other hand. So guys, make it sure that your device is not blocked from the other hand. If it is blocked, you will have to unblock your device to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the other solution is that make it sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, you will have to disconnect it to fix this problem. From here you can see my VPN is disconnected. So just turn off any connected VPN on your device and check if your problem is fixed or not. And from the final solution is that you will have to just go open your setting again, and from here you will have to tap on journal, and from here scroll below, and from here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here tap on reset, and from here tap reset all network setting on your device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.